So as you all know, Queen Elizabeth died. So in November of last year, that's 2022, the Royal Mint has taken an initiative to provide a commemorative coin, and it has come just now. So her reign was from 1926 to 2022, Elizabeth II. So it comes in a box like this, and it just costed us £2.5. So let's see what's in here. So this, I'm opening this along with you now. I haven't opened it before. So Queen Elizabeth II, lots of nice pictures, and then there is a card here. This is encouraging everybody to collect. There's a lot of coins, commemorative coins, that you can buy and collect. This one is free of cost, but most of these will cost, for the shipping as well as the coin. This one is £2.5, and it's just for the shipping, and they are not collecting any money for the coin itself. So if you see, so they are celebrating this because it's a big event. No one thought she would die. I think this is a set. You can keep collecting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 over here and 6 over here. More coins, like you see, but you have to pay for all of those. So there is 10 coins here. Maybe there is 2 more. So you can buy any of this, and now the coin looks like this. Let us see if I can open it. Yeah, you can pick it up like that. So there's the focus on the coin. So there's the coin. Like this is not silver or nothing. I mean, it's just a regular coin. You can get it for £2.5. That is only the shipping cost. And if you need the other coins, you have to buy them, and you can make a pretty good collection right here. And you can just open it up like this on your table, and then it will show. Table or a mantelpiece or anywhere that you can display these things. Thanks for watching.